Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now, check that your device is charged, the OS is current, and you have an admin account. Open Settings or System Preferences and locate Developer or Advanced options. This is where the process starts. Once found, flip the primary toggle to enable developer features and make a backup to one external drive or a cloud service so you can revert if needed. Make sure to note any prompts. They explain required permissions and why the system asks for elevated access. Once enabled, you move into the core setup. Install the SDKs or toolchains the platform requires, and make sure package versions match documentation. Next, enable USB debugging or a DB/fastboot for device access, or turn on SSH for remote development. These grant the connectivity you need. Then configure security settings, import necessary certificates, generate SSH keys, and update firewall rules, because correct permissions prevent future roadblocks. Keep logs of changes so you can track which step introduced a problem. You finish by validating the workflow, perform a quick build, deploy to the device or emulator, and run a test case to confirm developer mode works. Once done, tidy up, revert any non-essential system changes, and lock down exposed ports so you stay secure. If something breaks, first check system and app logs, then verify permissions and version compatibility. Mismatched SDK or tool versions are a common culprit. If that fails, roll back the last change and reapply, steps more slowly to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.